Myself Jibin, Assistant Professor of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Lubini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about testing of insulator. Various type of overcut line insulators are pin type, post type, string insulator, suspension insulator, tension insulator. Arrangement of insulator are testing string insulator unit should be hung by a suspension eye from a earthed metal cross arm. The test voltage is applied between the cross arm and the conductor hung vertically down from the metal part of the lower side of the insulator unit. Suspension string with all its accessories as in service should be hung from the earthed metal cross arm. The length of the cross arm should be at least 1.5 times the length of the string being tested and should be at least equal to 0.9 mm on either side of axis of the string. The test voltage is applied between the conductor and the cross arm, and connection from the impulse generator is made with a length of wire to one end of the conductor. For higher operating voltages where the length of the string is large, it is advisable to sacrifice the length of the conductor as stipulated above. Instead, it is desirable to bend the end of the conductor over in a large radius. 50% dry impulse flashover test. The test is carried out on a clean insulator mounted as in a normal working condition, and impulse voltage of 1 by 50 microsecond. Wave shape of an amplitude which can cause 50% flash over the insulator is applied. That is of the impulse applied, 50% of the impulse should cause flash over. Impulse withstand state. The insulator is subjected to standard impulse of 1 by 50 microsecond wave of specified value under dry condition with both positive and negative polarities. If 5 consecutive applications do not cause any flashover or puncture, the insulator is deemed to have passed the impulse withstand test. If out of 5, 2 applications cause flashover, the insulator is deemed to have failed the test. Dry flashover and dry 1 minute test. Power frequency voltage is applied to the insulator and the voltage increased to the specified value and maintained for 1 minute. The voltage is then increased gradually until flashover occurs. The insulator is then flashed over at least 4 more times. The voltage is raised gradually to reach flashover in about 10 seconds. Temperature cycle test. The insulator is immersed in a hot water bath whose temperature is 70% higher than normal water bath for 30 minutes. It is then taken out and immediately immersed in normal water bath for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, that insulator is again immersed in hot water bath for 30 minutes. Electromechanical test. The test is carried out only on suspension or tension type of insulator. The insulator is subjected to 2.5 times the specified maximum working tension maintained for 1 minute. Also simultaneously 75% of the dry flashover voltage is applied. The insulator should withstand this test without any damage. Mechanical test. This is bending test applicable to pin type and line post insulator. The insulator is subjected to a load 3 times specified maximum breaking load after 1 minute. There should be no damage to the insulator, and in case of post insulator, the permanent set must be less than 1%. Porosity test. The insulator is broken and immersed in a 0.5% of alcohol solution under a pressure of 13,800 kN per meter square for 24 hours. The broken insulator is taken out and further broken. It should not show any sign of impregnation. Thank you.